Before starting this video, I just want to play an activity with you all. I'm gonna show you two pictures and you all have to select which one is good. Now the first one. This is how the average 30 years old Indian look likes. And now the second one. This is how average 30 years old Indian who refused to be average look like. And now you all got the answer. Why there is a huge difference between them. The main difference between how they look is just because of their lifestyle and their mindset. मैं चाहता तो फॉरेन कंट्री के लोगों को भी इंडियन से कंपेयर कर सकता था, बट आई वॉन्ट माई पीपल टू लर्न फ्रॉम माई पीपल. दिस डिफरेंस इज द कॉज ऑफ अनहेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल एंड बिलीविंग इन सम टिपिकल इंडियन मिथ्स. तुम में से बहुत सारों ने कुछ इंडियन टिपिकल मिथ्स सुने होंगे अपने फैमिली, अपने पेरेंट्स, अपने किसी भी रिलेटिव्स के द्वारा. लाइक फर्स्ट वन इज कम उम्र में जिम जाने से हाइट रुक जाती है. बाय टेकिंग माई एग्जाम्पल, when I started going gym in 2024, I was 5'7" and 15 years old. But gradually after 1 year, now I am 5'11" at the age of 16. Gym never stopped my height, but instead it increased my growth in parallelly and horizontally, both. So the main thing I just want to express to you all is don't believe in any typical Indian myths and just start focusing on science and your beliefs and practical knowledge. The second myth that you all have heard is ये तो खाने पीने की उम्र है, इसमें इतना कैलकुलेट करके क्या खाने, इसमें क्या इतना प्रोटीन कार्ब्स ये सब कैलकुलेट करना, जो मिल रहा है खा जाओ, स्वीट, शुगर, ऑयली थिंग्स एंड एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा थिंग्स. The only thing I want to say with that kind of people who just want to believe this type of myth is रहने दे भाई, तेरे से फिटनेस नहीं होने वाली. Cause fitness requires something else, something greater than your potentials. All these Indian myths will one day lead to cause a dozen of health issues at a very young age. Personally, अगर मैं इन सब चीज़ों पे बिलीव कर रहा होता तो I won't be looking like this at the age of 16. Healthy, happy, no depression, no anxiety, just focused and doing myself and working on myself, just working 40.5 hours every single day without any distractions, without any anxiety, without any depression. Because what I believe is age is just a number. If you want to do something better for yourself, if you want to live a healthy life, if you want to work out at least 45 minutes a day, these small habits will one day compound and result you in building an unbreakable habit and unshakable mindset. It just helps you to increase your productivity throughout the day. If currently you are working 10 hours a day, then by just hitting gym 45 minutes a day, it will refresh your mind so that you can focus 14 to 15 hours a day. And if you want me to share a perfect routine, perfect 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. routine for students to work on themselves and their studies too, then comment below this video and watch my 100 hours productivity video to accept that challenge to grow in your life, to become that top 1% elite men or women what you want to be in your life, and just kill your distraction out. Just remove that people who are adding trauma and bad vibes in your life. Just be happy and work on yourself. Be depression free, be anxiety free. And before ending this video, I just want to share a beautiful quote by Henry David Thoreau is success comes to those who are not looking for it. It means they are busy in working on their self. थैंक यू. जय हिंद, जय भारत. आगे बढ़ते रहो, अपने आप को बेहतर करते रहो.